Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you avoid surprises. Install the Flutter SDK and add it to your path. Run Flutter Doctor to see missing pieces. Then install Android Studio or the Android SDK tools so you can get system images. Make sure SDK platforms and SDK tools are present. Finally, open Visual Studio Code and install the Flutter and Dart extensions. Once done, restart VS Code so extensions load and the environment becomes responsive. Next, you configure the emulator itself. In Android Studio, open the AVD Manager and create a virtual device. Pick a device profile and an image with API level 30 or higher for current app compatibility. Choose a Play Store or Google API's image when you need platform services. For performance, allocate sensible RAM and CPU and enable hardware acceleration. Haxum on Intel or Hypervisor. Framework on Mac OS. Once configured, launch the AVD so VS Code can detect it automatically. Finally, you run your app and confirm the emulator connection. In Visual Studio Code, pick the device from the status bar and run Flutter Run or press F5 to start debugging. This compiles and deploys your app to the emulator. If the device does not appear, restart ADB with a DB kill server and a DB start server, and make sure your SDK path is correct. One key troubleshooting tip: enable hardware acceleration and check emulator logs. Most launch failures come from misconfigured AVDs or missing SDK components.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.